Hello, in this lecture we are going to activate this button of read more. So if I click on this button read more, you can see we are on the page of fullpost.php and we got the ID as an search query parameter. So back to my editor. So opening this file of blog.php, we can use this file. So I'm gonna save this blog.php file as fullpost.php. Now let's also change its title as well. So changing it right here. So full blog post. And now we need to get this ID in the search query parameter. So in the else statement, we have more concern here. So I'm gonna add one variable of post ID from URL, this post ID 9. So we are going to get it in one super global of get, and this search query will be the same, but the view query of this whole post, we are going to say that select static from admin panel and order by date time descending, where we have to add the where clause right here, where the ID in our database is equal to this variable of post ID from URL. So adding it right here. Let's move this order by on next line. So if I save this one and refresh this page ID 9, you can see we successfully browse this giant is back 2018. If I go back and click on this read more, HTML5 and CSS3 is back, ID is 7, and this post is browsed. Now still you can see we are not extracting the full post because we applied the substr function to limit the content. So you can see in the post section here we got this if condition where we can use it to limit our blog post. So I'm gonna remove this whole condition. Let's adjust the PHP tag on one line. Now if I save this one and refresh the page, you can see we browse full post, still getting this read more button. So it's time to get rid of this button as well. So removing this one, saving this one, refreshing the page, looks good now. If I search for something like giant, you can see we are on the page of blog.php and the giant is here. It's because we also have to change the form of that post. So changing it for full post.php, saving this one. So if I now click on this read more button, we are on the page of full post.php. The giant is back right here. So if I search for HTML5, you can see we got HTML5 and CSS3 is back. We are on the page of full post.php and still we are extracting all the information from the table of admin_panel. So this is very good way to limit and make your website dynamic according to different search query parameter, as we did here. We make it to search button and then we make it to whole different post. So this one is working dynamically. But still, if I can show you this page of full post.php, when we are searching for something like HTML5, we are extracting the post where the HTML5 is written right here, and also we got this post as well of HTML5. We got it twice. While we are searching on this page of full post.php, you can see we are extracting the full post. There is no read more button, and also there is no limitation on the content, because on the page of full post.php we made this page to show us all the content and remove the read more button. So I think it would be a great user experience if you leave this search tab to be blog.php so that the user could redirect to the page of blog.php where he can select the searched post and read it full. So back to editor, we got the form right here. So I'm gonna change full post to be blog.php again, saving this one. Now first of all, let's go back to our page of fullpost.php id 7, going back to blog.php now, refreshing the page, and now opening this one, php one. This post is browsed, so if I search for HTML5 here, you can see we are on the page of blog.php, and only those pages where the HTML5 are showing on this page of blog.php. Now I can click on this read more button to read the post, full post. So this is a good user experience to return user to the page where he can see all the posts where the query of his search belong.